Welcome to the ET335 7490 Decade Counter Lab presentation.
Hello, this is the 7490 Decade Counter lab presentation. Here we have a divide by 2, a 7490. Both of our master resets and our master sets are tied to ground, so they won't interfere with the count. We have a clock going into clock A, which is our clock for our divide by 2. So this one's strictly a divide by 2. Here's the waveform from the 7490 divide by 2. It is a negative edge trigger. The green one is the clock. Here is the divide by 2 on the negative edge and resetting on the negative edge. Here is the 7490 as a divide by 5. Still we have the master set and master reset deactivated. We have the clock, but now we're going into clock B, and that's going to be our divide by 5 counter. Here's the divide by 5 waveform. I've cut it out where we can see it. It starts right here. We have 0, 0, 0. This is the clock. We're going to ignore it. We have 1, 0, 0 for 1, 0, 1, 0 for 2, and 1, 1, 0 for 3, and 0, 0, 1 for 4. So it's a modulus 5 divide by 5 count 0 to 4. Here's a divide by 10 as a 7490. So what we do is we put the input here, the clock, into A. That would be our divide by 2 counter. We're going to take our output of the divide by 2, QA at pin 12, and we're going to refeed it back into the clock B. So now we have 2 times 5, and we'll be getting a divide by 10 counter. Here's a 7490 divide by 10 waveform. Now the red all the way through are the outputs. This is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. And if we start our count, it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and then reset. Here's our 7490 as a divide by 6. So we're going to use our onboard reset, our NAND gate there, to reset this at a count of 6. So we're going to take QB, feed it back into one side of the master reset, and we're going to take QC and tie it back into the second gate, input to the gate. And we're going to get a mod 6 count. Here is the 7490 divide by 6 waveform. We could see that we're getting the reset glitch here and here. So we're going to start at this end and reset over here. So our count would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reset. So it'd be a mod 6 count 0 to 5. Here we have the mod 6 with the displays on the ends. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reset.